Itchy Boots, also known as Norlie Schoonmaker, is a popular motorcycle travel vlogger on YouTube. She has gained a large following for her adventurous travels across various countries on her motorcycle. In this blog post, we will explore Itchy Boots' net worth and investments in detail. Itchy Boots' net worth. Itchy Boots' net worth is estimated to be around $2 million, according to various sources. She has earned a significant amount of money through her YouTube channel, where she documents her travels on a motorcycle. Her channel has over 1.5 million subscribers and has garnered over 200 million views. As a result, she has made a considerable amount of money from advertisements, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Itchy Boots' primary source of income is her YouTube channel. She has over 150 videos on her channel, and each video has millions of views. Her videos feature her motorcycle trips, including the places she visits, the food she eats, and the people she meets. Her videos are popular because they show her authentic experiences, which resonate with her viewers. Itchy Boots investments. Itchy Boots has invested in various ventures, both related and unrelated to her YouTube channel. Here are some of the most significant investments she has made. Motorcycle. Itchy Boots has invested in several motorcycles over the years. She currently owns a BMW F850Gs, which she uses for her travels. She also has a Yamaha DT175, which she uses for off-road adventures. Merchandise. Itchy Boots sells merchandise, including t-shirts, hoodies, and stickers, on her website. She has invested in creating high-quality merchandise that resonates with her fans. Photography. Itchy Boots is a talented photographer and has invested in high-quality camera equipment to document her travels. She also sells prints of her photographs on her website. Real estate. Itchy Boots has invested in real estate properties, including a home in the Netherlands. She also owns a piece of land in Sweden, where she plans to build a tiny house. Charity. Itchy Boots has invested in various charitable causes, including supporting the education of children in Myanmar. She has also donated money to a charity that helps women in Africa start their businesses. Conclusion. Itchy Boots' net worth and investments are a testament to her success as a motorcycle travel vlogger. She has built a loyal following by documenting her authentic experiences on her YouTube channel. Her investments in various ventures, including real estate and charity, show that she is also a savvy investor and cares about making a positive impact on the world. As she continues to travel and document her adventures, it will be interesting to see what other investments she makes and how her net worth grows.